Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today I'm here to share with you how you can create YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube channel through simple use of Canva. It's very simple and easy to use. So here's the dashboard of Canva, and here you can see banners, card, YouTube thumbnail, poster, business card, infographics, and much more. So let's create our own thumbnail for YouTube. So just click here, create a design. Scroll down and here you will see YouTube thumbnail. Just click this one. And here it will give you the different options like music, YouTube thumbnail, food, thumbnail, beauty, tutorial, travel, live stream, Christmas. Okay, so let's suppose I have a YouTube channel relating to traveling. So I will select this travel. And now I will tell you how you can make changes to this one. For example, I want to change this text. So I will just double click here, then backspace. I will write here my own text like north of Pakistan. So here you can see the font size is too much. So I just, if you want to decrease this one, just click here on minus sign. The font size will be decrease. And if you want to increase the font size, just click here on the plus sign. The font size will be increase. So this is the way how you can increase or decrease the font size. The next is if you want to change this text color, you can do it simple by clicking here. For example, I want to change this color to red, so it is here, pink. So simple, you can change this with simple just one click. The other is here, if you want to add something here, then fine. Otherwise, you can just select this and then delete. Okay. Now the other thing is you can change its position. For example, first let me adjust this here. Then you can change its position on top, bottom, or at the center. You can do it by simple dragging. Okay. Next is if you want to add some elements, just click here and it will show you different elements here. For example, if I want to check this one, hotel, so just drag this here and change size here. If you want to upload something from your PC, so it's very simple. Just click here, upload media. Then it will show you images, so you can select whatever you want to upload there. For example, in my case, if I want to upload this one, I will click press open and it will show me here. Okay, now when I will click here, it has been added here, so you can change its position, its size. As currently I don't want this, so just delete this. Next is add photos. You can add photo from here. Next is text. If you want to click heading, just click here. If you want to add subheading, just click here like me. Now I would like to add some subheading here like paradise on earth. So now I want to change this color. For example, I would like to select this one again, red. And if I want to change this font size, I want to increase, so I will click this plus sign. If I want to see it has bold, so I will just click here B. Now you can see it has been bold. Okay, if you want to see his italics, so it will show you italics. So here are different signs. If you want to keep this in center, right or left, so just click this one. Okay, so this is the way how you can use these options. So now just drag it here. You can change this position, like you can do like this. Okay, keep it here at the center. If you want to change this font color, keep it black, so just press this one. Okay, and another thing is font styles. Here are different font styles. For example, if I press this one, Laura, then you will see is like this, it has been changed. Now if I want to select another one, for example, I want to write it here like this one, font size has been changed, but always choose the one which is easy to read. Okay, like this. So this is the way how we can make changes to the given images. And for example, if you're okay, so after doing this, this is final, and I just want to download this, so you will click here, download. Okay, so it will give you the option here, download. So just click this one, and you will see my download will start here. Heart of Pakistan PNG. Okay, it has been downloaded now. Here you can see. So my thumbnail for my YouTube channel is ready now, so I can use it. So this is the way how you can use Canva to create different thumbnails for your YouTube channel. So I hope it was easy for you. So do try. Thank you.